Hi, this is OxiClean White Revive. Says it's safe on colors to get out stains. I wanted it because of whitening powder. I wanted to be able to make things that are white stay white. It says back here that it's really great for uniforms. I don't have that problem as much, but I did want socks and just regular old shirts and linens to stay nice and white. So you can put it in every load. You can also pre-soak it to get it really nice and clean. I did not realize at first because it shipped to me, and they had it very well packaged, by the way. They had it in a bag. They had that sticky tape thing on it to hold the lid closed, so you don't have to worry about it coming all exploded. But look, it did come with a scoop. It was just buried. So if you don't see a scoop right away, just know that it got buried while it was shipping. I used it today. The clothes had a nice smell. Not that it's supposed to make it perfumey, but you know, it was nice. And they were cleaner. They seemed whiter to me. So I think I'm going to keep using it, and I expect it to keep whitening my stuff. So looking forward to that.